Today at New Look Detailing, we will be unboxing Xpel's new ceramic coating, Fusion Plus. Fusion Plus is a nano ceramic coating that when professionally applied will protect your paint and PPF from the elements. Inside the box we have an installation and warranty guide, safety data sheet, and the Xpel Fusion and applicator kit. First up we have the 50ml bottle of Fusion Plus, next is the applicator pad, and lastly the applicator cloths. Stay tuned to this channel to see this in action on Xpel paint protection film. Please like, comment and subscribe for lots more videos.